Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 11th lecture of your science factor book unit 2. Today our topic is why animals move. That is on page number 18. You have to open your book on page number 18. Why animals move? Move means students हरकत करना, आगे बढ़ना. जानवर क्यों हरकत करते हैं? एनिमल्स मूव टू फाइंड फूड. एनिमल्स जो है वो खाने की तलाश में, खुराक की तलाश में, फूड मीन खुराक की तलाश में जो है वो हरकत करते हैं. एनिमल्स मूव टू स्टॉप. एनिमल्स स्टॉप कर देते हैं टू मूव, हरकत करने में. देमसेल्व्स बिकमिंग फूड. एनिमल्स मूव टू स्टॉप देमसेल्व्स बिकमिंग फूड. नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 19. स्लो एनिमल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, स्लो एनिमल्स कैन नॉट मूव क्विकली. स्लो जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो मूव क्विकली, वो हरकत क्विकली जो है तेज़ी से नहीं कर सकते. सो दे नीड समथिंग टू कीप देम सेफ. तो इसलिए उनको किसी ऐसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है जो उनको सेव रखे. सेव मीन महफूज रखे. दिस इज़ porcupine has sharp needles to stop other animals getting too close. This is the picture of the porcupine. This one has sharp needles. These are the needles. Because why these animals have sharp needles? Porcupine has sharp needles टू स्टॉप अदर एनिमल्स गेटिंग टू क्लोज, के दूसरे जो एनिमल्स हैं वो इसके करीब नहीं आ सकें. बिकॉज ऑफ शार्प नीडल अदर एनिमल्स कैन नॉट गेट टू क्लोज इट. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ द स्नाइल. दिस स्नाइल हैज़ अ हार्ड shell. This is a hard shell to hide mean छुपाना, hide in. This snail has a hard shell to hide in. इसका हार्ड शेल जो है स्नाइल का, ये इसलिए है कि ये इसमें छुप जाती है. यानी जब ये स्लो चलते हैं एनिमल, तो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है या इसने रेस्ट करना है या इसको किसी डेंजर का फेस करना पड़ता है, तो ये इसमें छुप जाती है. इसका हार्ड शेल है स्नाइल का. दीज आर दी स्लो एनिमल्स. This is the picture of tiger. This is the picture of the cheetah. Cheetahs can run faster than a car. चीता जो है वो इतना फास्ट हो सकता है देन a car. इतना रन यानी फास्ट चल सकता है, कार से भी ज़्यादा ये जो है फास्ट रन कर सकता है cheetahs. Now we will do fill in the blanks. First one is animals move to find. Animals move to find. Students, here you have to write food. Animals move to find food. खुराक की तलाश में मूव करते हैं एनिमल. नेक्स्ट इज a snail has a hard dash to hide in. A snail has a hard shell. Here you have to write shell to hide in. And the last one is the porcupine has sharp dash to stop other animals getting too close. The porcupine has sharp needles. Here you have to write needles to stop other animals getting too close. Students, here is worksheet. You have to do it. Here are, first you have to read the names. These are the names. First you have read the names of the given animals and identify their characteristic. Tick in the correct column. These are animals, types of the animals: fur or feathers, then size, big or small, then number of legs, 2 or 4, and then long or short. First is bear. The first animal name is bear. Bear have feather or furs. Here you have to take in feathers. Bear has feathers. Size big or small. Here you have to take big. Then bear have 4 legs or 2 legs. Bear has 4 legs. You take in 4. Long, short. टेल जो है इसकी लॉन्ग है या शॉर्ट है? बियर हैज शॉर्ट टेल. You have to tick here. Next is zebra. Big or small? Big. Then 4 legs. It has 4 legs. You have to tick, and then long. Next one is tortoise. Tortoise. Big or small? Small. Then 4 legs and tail. It has short tail. Sheep. Sheep has fur. Sheep has fur. Small animal. You have to tick in small. Then it has 4 legs, and then small or long tail. It has long tail. Here you have to tick. Next one is lion. Lion has fur, big. Then you have to tick 4 legs. It has 4. Lion has 4 legs, and then you have to tick in long. Next is dog. Dog has fur, big. Not big. You have to tick in small, and then it has 4 legs. Dog has 4 legs. You have to tick in 4, and then it has long tail or short tail. Dog has long tail. Then monkey. Monkey has fur. Small animal in size. 2 legs. It has 2 legs, and then long tail or short. Monkey has long tails. Tick here. Then horse. Horse has fur, big animal. Size you have to take in big column, and then 4 legs and long animal. Horse is long animal. Next is cow. It has fur and big in size. Cow has 4 legs and long animal. And last one is deer. Deer has fur and small animal है in size. Then it has 2 legs or 4 legs. Deer has 4 legs and long tail. In this way you have to do this worksheet. These are the names of the animals and types of the skin, fur or feathers, and then size, big or small. Then numbers of legs, 2 or 4. Then here is tail, which animals have long or short tail, which animals have 2 or 4 legs, which animal big or small, and which animals has a fur or feather. You have to tick in the relevant column. This is your worksheet, students. Note down your homework. Your homework is you have to read page number 18 and 19 and learn the meaning of the difficult words. Do fill in the blanks and do worksheet also. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.